Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Math Club. Today we have a nice mathematics Olympiad problem, that is 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power b plus 2 to the power c is equal to 168. Here we have to find the value of a, b and c. Now let's start our solution. First of all, we are going to multiply and divide this left hand side by 2 to the power a. So here 2 to the power a over 2 to the power a times 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power b plus 2 to the power c, which is equal to 168. Now 2 to the power a times, here we have 2 to the power a and dividing by this 2 to the power a. Similarly, plus 2 to the power b dividing this 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power c over 2 to the power a. We have just divided this 2 to the power a with each term inside bracket is equal to 168. Here we see that this 2 to the power a is cancelled out with 2 to the power a. So we have 2 to the power a times, here we have 1 plus, according to this exponential property, if we have a to the power m over a to the power n, it is equal to, that is a whole to the power m minus n. So applying this property here, we will get this 2 and this 2 is same, so we just write 2 and b minus a plus, here we are going to perform the same step here, so it will be c minus a is equal to 168. Now this 168 can also be factorized, that 168, that if we just divide by 2, we have 2 8s are 16 and 2 4s are 8. Similarly, again dividing by 2, we get 42. Now again dividing by 2, we have 21. So if we just divide by 3, we get 7 here, and dividing by 7 we get 1. So here we have 2 times 2 times 2 is 2 cubed, and 3 times 7 is 21. Now our step will be 2 to the power a times 1 plus 2 to the power b minus a plus 2 to the power c minus a, that is equal to 168 is equal to 2 cubed times 3 times 7 is 21. Now in this equation we see that this 2 to the power a is actually, it is even number. So here inside this parenthesis we get this entire expression will be odd. Similarly, on our right hand side we see that 2 cubed is 8, which is even, and 21 is odd. So this 2 to the power a is equal to this 2 cubed. 2 to the power a is equal to 2 cubed, and this expression 1 plus 2 to the power b minus a plus 2 to the power c minus a is equal to this odd number. Now here, as we see that bases are same, so powers will be added according to this property. If we have a to the power m is equal to a to the power n, that then it implies that m is equal to n. So applying here, we will get a is equal to 3. It is our value of a. Now solving our second equation here. So here we see that if we just shift this 1 to our right hand side, then we have 2 to the power b minus a plus 2 to the power c minus a is equal to 21 minus 1, we will get 20. So here this 2 to the power b minus a can also be written as 2 to the power b over 2 to the power a. Similarly, it will be 2 to the power c over 2 to the power a, that is equal to 20. But here we see that a is equal to 3. So putting this value of a here 2 to the power a, so it will be 2 to the power b over 2 to the power a is actually it is equal to 3, so we just write here 2 cubed plus 2 to the power c over 2 cubed is equal to 20. Now 2 to the power b over 2 cubed is equal to 8 and plus 2 to the power c over 8 is equal to 20. Now if we take least common multiple on our left hand side, then it will be 8 2 to the power b plus 2 to the power c is equal to 20. So if we multiply 8 on both hand side, then we will get 2 to the power b plus 2 to the power c is equal to 20 times 8, we will get 160. Now if we just going to divide and multiply by 2 to the power b on our left hand side, so it will be 2 to the power b or 2 to the power b times 2 to the power b plus 2 to the power c is equal to 160. Now our next step will be, here we have 2 to the power b times 2 to the power b, dividing this 2 to the power b plus 2 to the power c over 2 to the power b is equal to 160. Now this 2 to the power b is cancelled out with 2 to the power b. We have 2 to the power b times 1 plus 2 to the power c over 2 to the power b is equal to 160. Now if we multiply this 2 to the power b here, so if we just write here that it is our 2 to the power b, this term is here, we have 2 to the power b times 1 plus 2 to the power c, can also be written as c minus b, is equal to 160, can be factorized like 32 times 5. So here we are going to do the same step that we have done earlier. So 2 to the power b, here it is even, and this entire expression is actually we get odd. Similarly 32 is even and 5 is odd. So here we have this 2 to the power b is equal to 32 and 1 plus 2 to the power c minus b is equal to 5, which is equal to odd number. Now here 2 to the power b is equal to 32 can also be written as 2 to the power 5. So here bases are same, then power will be equal, then we will get the value of b is equal to 5. Now we have just found out the value of a and b. Now we are going to find the value of c. So here 2 to the power c minus b, here we have 1. So if we just shift this one to our right hand side, we have 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. Now 2 to the power c over 2 to the power b is equal to 4, but we know that b is equal to 5. Putting here 2 to the power c over 2 to the power 5 is equal to 4. Now 2 to the power c is equal to 4 times this 2 to the power 5. Here we have 2 to the power c is equal to 4 can be written as 2 squared times 2 to the power 5. So here we have 2 to the power c is equal to, applying this property here, if we have a to the power m times a to the power n, it is equal to a to the power m plus n. So here it will be 2 plus 5 is 7. Now we see that bases are same on both hand side, so value of c will be 7. Here we have find out the value of a, b and c, where a is equal to 3, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 7. Now we are going to just verify our problem here by putting this value of a, b and c. So let's verify our problem. For verification we have to recall our problem that is 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power b plus 2 to the power c is equal to 168. Now 2 to the power a is equal to 3 plus 2 to the power b is equal to 5 plus 2 to the power c is equal to 7. Is it equal to 168? Now 2 cubed is equal to 8 plus 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32 plus 2 to the power 7 is equal to 128. Is it equal to 168? So yes, by adding our left hand side we see that here 8 plus 32 plus 128 is equal to 168, which is equal to 168. Hence we have proved that our left hand side of this equation is equal to right hand side. So we just find out the value of a, b and c and just verify it here. So it will be our final values of a, b and c, which is our answer. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.